It's a crystal clear day in April 2025. Tourists board a sleek helicopter eager for a bird's-eye view of New York City. The engine roars, the rotors whir, and the helicopter lifts gracefully into the air, but within minutes the unthinkable happens. A deafening bang, a shower of debris, and the main rotor, the very heart of the aircraft, spins away, sending the helicopter plummeting into the cold waters of the Hudson River. This tragic incident, sadly, is not unique. Throughout aviation history, there have been numerous instances of helicopter main rotors detaching mid-air, resulting in catastrophic consequences. Understanding why these failures occur is crucial not only for preventing future tragedies, but also for ensuring public confidence in the safety of rotorcraft. To comprehend the gravity of a main rotor detachment, we need to understand its critical role. Unlike airplanes, which rely on fixed wings and engines for lift and thrust, helicopters depend on their main rotor system. These massive rotating blades act like a giant propeller, pulling the helicopter upward and providing stability during flight. The rotor system is a complex assembly of parts, each withstanding enormous stress and vibration during operation. The blades themselves are meticulously engineered for strength and flexibility, connected to a central hub by a rotor mast. This entire system relies on a gearbox to transfer power from the engine to the rotors, allowing for controlled flight. Any weakness or malfunction within this intricate system can have disastrous consequences. One of the most common causes of main rotor detachment is mechanical failure within the rotor system. This can occur due to a variety of reasons, each of which can have devastating consequences if not addressed promptly. Imagine gears grinding, shafts twisting, bearings overheating. These are just a few examples of potential points of failure. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the smooth operation of the helicopter, and any malfunction can lead to serious issues. The gearbox, responsible for transferring power from the engine to the rotors, is a prime example. It is a complex piece of machinery that must operate flawlessly to ensure the helicopter's safety and performance. If gears within the gearbox jam or break due to metal fatigue or lubrication issues, the entire rotor system can be compromised. Metal fatigue can develop over time, weakening the gears and making them more susceptible to breaking under stress. Similarly, a fracture in the rotor mast, the critical link between the blades and the gearbox, can lead to catastrophic failure. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential to detect such issues before they become critical. In 2019, a Bell 206B helicopter crashed in Campbell River, Canada, after a suspected engine anomaly caused a sudden loss of rotor RPM, highlighting the potential for catastrophic failure when mechanical components fail. This tragic incident underscores the importance of rigorous maintenance and timely detection of mechanical issues to prevent such disasters. Section 4. Metal fatigue, the silent threat in the sky. We often think of metal as being incredibly strong, almost indestructible. But the reality is that metal parts, especially those under constant stress and vibration like in a helicopter rotor system, can develop microscopic cracks over time. This phenomenon, known as metal fatigue, is a silent but deadly threat. These minuscule cracks, invisible to the naked eye, can propagate and weaken the metal, eventually leading to complete failure. A tragic example of this occurred in 2021 when a Bell 212 helicopter crashed in Canada, claiming the lives of 2 pilots. The investigation pointed to a defective main rotor hub strap pin, a critical component susceptible to fatigue, as the likely cause. Section 5. Human error, maintenance, mishaps and their consequences. Even with the most advanced engineering and materials, human error remains a persistent factor in aviation accidents. The complexity of helicopter systems means that even the smallest mistake can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Helicopters, with their intricate and multifaceted machinery, require meticulous and regular maintenance to ensure they remain airworthy. Every component, from the rotor blades to the smallest bolt, must be checked and rechecked. A missed step, a forgotten tool, or an incorrectly installed part can have devastating consequences. The margin for error is incredibly slim, and the stakes are always high. In 2013, a New York helicopter charter flight was forced to make an emergency landing in the Hudson River due to a maintenance issue. This incident underscored the potential dangers of even minor oversights. The investigation revealed that the helicopter's drive shaft, a crucial component transferring power to the tail rotor, was deemed unairworthy. This highlighted the critical importance of adhering to proper maintenance procedures and the dire consequences of neglect. Improper lubrication, inadequate inspections, or failure to adhere to manufacturer guidelines can turn a routine maintenance check into a recipe for disaster. Regular training and strict adherence to protocols are essential to prevent such mishaps. Section 6. External impacts. A bird, a cable, a catastrophe. While internal factors like mechanical failures and maintenance errors play a significant role in rotor detachments, external impacts can also lead to catastrophic consequences. Imagine a helicopter colliding with a bird in flight, its delicate rotor blades suddenly encountering an unexpected force. Or consider the scenario of a rotor blade striking a power line or a cable, the impact sending shockwaves through the delicate rotor system. These external impacts, while less common than other causes, highlight the vulnerability of helicopters, particularly when operating in congested airspace or low altitudes where obstacles are more prevalent. Section 7. Preventing tragedy, a safer future for helicopter flight. The tragedies associated with helicopter rotor detachments underscore the need for constant vigilance and advancement in safety measures. Each incident serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers and the importance of ongoing improvements in helicopter safety protocols. Rigorous maintenance protocols following manufacturer guidelines to the letter are paramount. Regular and thorough inspections can identify potential issues before they become serious problems, ensuring that every flight is as safe as possible. Advanced inspection techniques such as ultrasound and X-ray can detect microscopic cracks indicative of metal fatigue before they become catastrophic. These technologies allow for early detection and timely intervention, preventing accidents before they occur. Pilot training plays a crucial role, equipping pilots with the skills to recognize and react to warning signs like unusual vibrations or control issues. Comprehensive training programs ensure that pilots are prepared for any situation, enhancing overall flight safety. Furthermore, stricter regulations, particularly for helicopters operating in high-risk areas like densely populated cities, can help minimize the risk of accidents. Implementing and enforcing these regulations is essential for protecting both passengers and people on the ground. By embracing technological advancements, prioritizing rigorous maintenance, and fostering a culture of safety, we can strive to prevent future tragedies and ensure that helicopters remain a safe and efficient mode of air transportation. The combined efforts of engineers, technicians, pilots, and regulatory bodies are crucial in achieving this goal.